This is Teacher Shalom, your teacher agent for today. Join me as we go along to the world of mathematics. Get yourself ready to learn new things. Our topic for today is based on most essential learning competencies of grade 4 math, quarter 4, week 1, which is finding the area of irregular figures. But before we proceed, this is the expectation given to you. Find the area of irregular figures made up of squares and rectangles using square centimeter and square meter. Are you ready?
Yes!
That's great! Now, let's get started. Let's have a quick review about the formula of how to get the area of square and rectangle. In this activity, we need to match the figure to their respective formula. What figure do we have on number 1? Good job! That is square. And the formula to get the area of square is? Can you write your answer on the comment section?
Yes!
Great job! The formula is area is equal to s squared. How about in number 2? What is the given figure? Great! We have a rectangle. The formula to get the area of a rectangle is? Very good! It is area is equal to length times width. Now that we are done for a quick review, are you ready for our new lesson today?
Yes!
Excellent! Let's get started. Try to look at this problem. Andrew and his sister Anne made a vegetable garden as shown below. Find the area of their garden. First, let's try to analyze the problem. Whose garden is it? Correct! It is Andrew and Anne's garden. What can you say about the figure of the garden? Is it square? Is it rectangle? I wonder what kind of figure is it? Aha! It's what we call irregular figure. The garden has an irregular figure. But how can we find the area of an irregular figure? Can you join me in finding the area of irregular figure? Great! Here are the steps in solving the area of an irregular figures. Step 1. Divide or cut the figure into square and rectangles. Always remember, kids, to divide it in this number. Based on our figure, it can be cut into 2 rectangles. Can you identify the 2 rectangles?
Yes!
Very good! And we will name it as rectangle A and rectangle B. Step 2. Find the area of each figures. After identifying the figures, we will solve for the area of each rectangle. Are you ready, kids?
Yes!
That's nice! Let's now proceed. First, we will solve for the area of rectangle A and after that, the area of rectangle B. Again, what is the formula in finding the area of a rectangle? Excellent! The formula in finding the area of rectangle is length times width.
Yes!
First, we will write the formula for the area and after that, we will substitute. The formula for rectangle is length times width. Can you identify what is the length and what is the width?
Yes!
Very good! Length measures 3 meters while the width is 5 meters. We will substitute now the value of length and width. After that, we will multiply. What do you think is the answer? That's perfect! The answer is 15 square meters. Now, we will do the same process in finding the area of rectangle B. Can you show your solution in the comment section? Very good! The length is 6 meters and the width is 3 meters. Then multiply so the answer is 18 square meters. Step 3. Add the area of squares and or rectangles made to find the area of the irregular figure. Based on our computation, kids, what is the area of rectangle A and rectangle B? That's right! The area of two rectangles are 15 and 18 square meters. Based on step 3, what will we do to those areas? You got it right! We will add the 15 square meter and 18 square meters, and what will be the answer? Write your answer on the comment section below. Fantastic! The answer is 33 square meters. Therefore, the area of their garden is 33 square meters. Kids, always remember the 3 steps in solving the irregular figures. Step 1. Divide or cut the figure into 2 or more figures like square and rectangles. Step 2. Find the area of each figures. Step 3. Add the area of the square and or rectangles made to find the area of the irregular figure. We already saw different examples about finding the area of irregular figures. Now, let's assess your learning progress. Are you ready, kids?
Yes!
Alright, here is the situation. A helicopter is aiming to land on a helicopter pad. It must land on the letter H. What is the area of the letter H of the said helicopter pad if the measurement are as follows? You can solve it on your notebook and show your solution on the comment section. Don't forget our 3 steps. To give you more time, you can pause this video. Now, let's check your answer. Step 1. Cut the figure into square and rectangles and dig in. Very good. Step 2. Find the area of each figures. What is the area of figure A? Very good. It is 24 square meters. How about figure B? Superb! It is 16 square meters. What about the area of figure C? Excellent! It is also 24 square meters. And for our last step, add the area of the squares and or rectangles made to find the area of the irregular figure. So, 24 plus 16 added to 24 is equal to what? Nice job! The answer is 64 square meters. Did you get it correct?
Yes!
Excellent! Don't forget to let me know how well you did by commenting on the comment box below. I hope you had fun learning math today. Always remember, learn math in most easy way. To be updated for other fun learning videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tally Araw Tutorial TV. Again, this is Teacher Shalom, your teacher agent for today. See you again.